Life. What is it all about?
It's obviously success.
Success?
I think it's happiness.
Happiness.
It's prosperity.
Prosperity?
It is fame, man.
Fame?
No, it's fulfillment of all desires.
Desires. I think it is little difficult to define what life is. Let's see what is happening here in the life of three friends.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy!
Can you give me some change?
Hey, go away.
Money, ego.
Money, ego.
What? 20,000 people laid off? Am I in the list? Oh God.
Fear,
Stress. Fear, stress.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy!
Hey guys,
Hi, man.
Hey, what happened, dude? Why are you so tensed?
Nothing, man. Lot of work at office. Too many responsibilities. My boss is like killing me.
don't worry man. Things will be alright.
Nothing, man. Like, I'm so scared and tense for everything. I wish I had a life like you.
Well, the grass always looks greener on the other side. I have lots of money, spacious car, everything luxurious. But I still feel there is something missing in that.
What about you? Did I hear this right? Are you going to Syria?
Yes, I'm going to Syria next week for Seva International's rehabilitation project.
How much money are you getting there?
I'm getting enough to support my living. Also, some things need to be done for happiness and not just for money.
Oh, come on, dude. You have a fabulous career as a doctor here. Why, man? Why this so-called social service?
There are many things that inspired me, but I think you can start with this.
What is this?
Swami Vivekananda's book?
Swami Vivekananda, the man who brought yoga to America.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy! Can a book change somebody's life? Teaching of Swami Vivekananda. Let's see how this book impacts their life.
Hoy!
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 All power is within you. All power is within you. All power is within you. Service to man is service to God. Service to man is service to God. Service to man is service to God.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy!
Are you done with your reports?
No.
Why are you stammering?
I'm trying.
I don't think you deserve to be here if you don't even know how to do your work.
Can you give me some time?
If you can't figure all this out, why did you apply?
Please, I'll finish it.
All power is
within you. All power is within you.
All power is within you. At your will, the mountains will crumble. Have that sort of energy, that sort of will. Stand up and express the divinity within you.
Have you finished your reports?
I've figured how to do it.
Budget cuts are going on, and I have employees like you who don't even know how to do their work.
Trust me, boss. I'll not let you down.
Okay. Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy!
Can you spare me some change?
You again?
Service to
To man is service to God. Service to man is service to God.
Service to man is service to God. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in service of others.
Let me help you.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy! Have you heard of Anna Hazare? He also thought of ending his life, and then he came in contact with Swamiji's teaching through a book. That very moment changed his life forever. Looks like something similar is happening here. Let's see what happens next.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy!
Hi, guys.
Hey, you're looking so happy. I guess the things are going better on your side.
Well, things are still the same, but the way I'm looking at things is a bit different now. That book, you remember, it has instilled a lot of confidence in me.
Yeah, that book. I too got a new vision towards life after reading it. Life is not just thinking about ourselves. Only when we help others in need, we can discover the true meaning of happiness.
Good to hear that from you both.
What inspired you in your life?
I have read about Swami Vivekananda's life and teachings, and they have always been an inspiration to me.
Then, was your idea of going to Syria also inspired by Swamiji's teachings?
Yes, it was. Almost everyone is making fun of me, but I am standing firm with my decision. Let me tell you a story about Sister Nivedita, an Irish lady who was Swamiji's disciple.
Hoy!
Namaste.
Namaste.
I'm Nivedita. Can we talk to you for a few minutes?
Oh lady, how can I help you?
We are disciples of Swami Vivekananda who dreamt of rejuvenating the nation by serving the poor and needy.
So, what should I do?
Just listen to us. We are taking his ideas forward by building a school for poor children. I request you, be a part of this noble cause.
Oh lady, I know I can't help you. Please go away.
Please help in any way you can.
You foreigner, you want something from me? Take this.
This is what you gave me. But what can you give to your country?
What can you give to your country? What can you give to your country?
Oh mother, I'm sorry. Please accept me as your disciple.
Each word has to pass through these three stages: ridicule, opposition, and then acceptance. Take up one idea, make that idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea.
Hoy! 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 What is life? I think that is where we started this whole play. Looks like now at this point, the teaching of Swami Vivekananda, fearlessness, believing in oneself, and helping the humanity can help us out in solving everyday puzzles of our life. And this whole journey of life can be solved by this. Swamiji once said, when I asked God for wealth, He showed me how to work hard. When I asked God for peace, He showed me how to help others. God never gave me what I wanted, but He always gave me what I needed.
Hoy!